common. It is very common for you to hear people complaining about how they didn't use their data and it's finished. Who is stealing my data? A 3 gig plan that used to last me a month now can only last me a week. The network must be stealing my data. Or are they? In this video, we will uncover who is the one going right under your nose and ripping you off your precious gigabyte. That is the very lifeblood of your smartphone, causing you to part with your hard-earned money. I'm your host, the Public Tech Advisor, here to advise you on the tech you use every day. On our channel update, join me and let's get you up to date. So, on the topic, why is your data finishing fast? To answer this properly and expose the culprit, you need to understand the simple concept of how your smartphone connects to and browses the internet through the telecom network you use. When you buy a data plan from your favorite telecom network, say 5 GB at whatever price with a validity period of, for example, 30 days, this gives you access to the internet for 30 days within the data limit of 5 gig, whichever comes first. It's either you finish the 5 gig first or 30 days goes by and the balance is expired. Now, how that 5 gig is consumed within the validity period 30 days depends on one mega factor, also with its dependencies. That mega factor is speed, data speed or bandwidth or throughput or data bond rate. And then the speed you get also depends on the following: the network signal reception strength at your location, the allocated speed for that data plan from the network, and the communication capacity of your device as set by the manufacturer. In terms of network support like 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and speed category like Cat 4 150 megabits per second top speed and Cat 6 300 megabits per second. But mind you, these are all theoretical speed. The actual speed in real world usage depends on number 1 and 2. If you don't get it, that's okay. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have a car and you want to use this car to go from your house to the market. You need to use the road, right? Now, as you leave your house for the market, even though your car can speed up to 220 kilometers as shown on the dashboard, you might only be able to reach a top speed of say 80 kilometers per hour because of the size of the road, whether it's single or double, 2 or 3 lanes, and the traffic at the time of the day. With less traffic and wider road, you can be able to speed up and reach the market faster, otherwise it takes you longer. So take your smartphone to be the car, the network to be the road, and the internet, Facebook, Google, YouTube, or wherever you are going, to be the market. Hope you get this. So now that we get speed out of the way, let's go back to our 5 gig data plan. As you are browsing, Facebooking, chatting, TikToking, etc., each app or website you visit or use, your smartphone is recording the amount of data used out of the 5 gig. The data usage depends on what operating system you are using, either Android or iOS, but pretty much functions the same way. For Android, in order to track your usage, you need to go to the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet, then Data Usage. Under Mobile, you will see total data used for that period, say from April 29th to May 28th, 30-day cycle. Now, to see more details into what app used how much, tap on the Mobile Data Usage. Here, you will see the total data used for a period selected in a graphical form in the upper half of the page. As for the lower half of the page shows you data used for each app, arranged according to which is the highest. You can scroll down to see the rest. Tap on each app to see the foreground data, consumed when the app is open and in use, and background data, consumed when it is not in use but alive in the background. Remember that you can stop data from being used when the app is in the background by tapping on this slide button. If there's any unusual usage, this is the place to see how it happens. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular, then Mobile or Cellular Data. Here, you will see the total data used under the current period and roaming usage also. Then scroll down to see individual app usage. For System Services, scroll to the System Services option, tap on it to see. Note that if there is any unusual usage pattern, you can turn off the data just for that culprit. Know that we are in the 4th industrial revolution, meaning a time of accelerated progress in technology, where data is king. It is the digital economy. Expect a new series on DigiCon on update soon. Apps are designed to be data hungry. It is natural that with every update to the hardware or software, your data consumption is likely to increase, whether knowingly or unknowingly. So here are some tips you can use to manage your data wisely. Clear background apps when you are not using them. Set data limit and alert. Turn off automatic update on Google Play or App Store. If you use maps a lot for navigation, download your area map to your device. When streaming games or videos, make sure to choose standard or low quality. Turn off automatic download of videos and images for WhatsApp and other social media apps. Browse websites on their mobile versions. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, hit me down in the comment section. Thumbs if you like it, sub if you haven't. Until the next one, cheers.